What's up, y'all? So today I traded a number of different stocks. Did trade it. I think I started with YY. I actually woke up in time today, by the way, which is surprising. So I saw this stock dropped, and then on the 15 and 60, there's a good level of support down here. So I feel confident in taking this long. I only took 100 shares. It popped because of the SMA here. It looked like it was struggling. I got out. Obviously, if I stayed with it, stuck with it, or looked at it here. At 710 mark, take it. I could have gotten a much bigger gain for a VWAP, reversal back to VWAP, but it's kind of, you look at the 1 minute, it just holds this level, doesn't really do much, unless you zoom in, because this is actually a pretty big move, but this stock is so slow moving that I want to get out. I also traded BNTX. So BNTX took out a long side. It didn't really do much, so I got out. Very small profit, barely anything. It did drop a bit, but again, I took a teaser size, 100 shares. Reason why I took it is down here, 5 minute, you see it's sitting on this level of support. There is this crazy wick here. I wasn't too nervous because, like I said, I only took 100 shares. But yeah, so there's a level there, and then on the 15, same thing, it dropped a bit below the SMA. But then it did pop up, which is where the SMA is, so I got out because I don't know if this was a level of resistance. It may push it back down or whatnot. So anyway, 100 shares, whatever. INTC, Intel dropped today. It bounced back up. I took it on the short side after the bounce. Reason for that is because it just hit this SMA and looked like it was coming back down. And then also, where is this? On the 15 minute, if we look at pre-market, it just sort of hit this level, kind of like a wall here. You can see when it did bounce, it struggled there, it struggled there. So on the way down, I just took on the short side, 500 shares. And then when it kind of got stuck around here, I just bailed on it. It did continue to come down, but yeah, so that was it. But that was Intel. That was my trade on Intel. Just a quick scalp. And then I did PTON. So PTON dropped. At this level, I bought 100 shares. It dropped a little below that, added to it, and then it dropped down here, which corresponded to sort of this level. I bought it. It popped. I got out, I think, half of my position or so. Either 200 shares. I think it's like 200 shares. So it's a little more than half. Like I don't do like half shares or whatever. And then I added back, and then it dropped to this level or a bit below it. I added, it did form this like wick down here, which corresponded, if we look at the 60 minute, kind of double bottom down on this side here. So I added to it again, and then on the pop, I just scaled out close to VWAP, like right here, because SMA is coming down. This is where VWAP is. I just got all out. So that was my trade on PTON. NVAX was a little more troubling. It dropped. First at was here at this level, or teaser size, 100 shares, 100 shares, and then it dropped some more. It looked like it was getting stuck here, so I added, and then it did this crazy wick. So I added on the pop. I got out before, like right near VWAP before this support level. So this again kind of looks like the PTON trade actually, but. Same thing. Anyway, done for the day. Peace out.